Former Egyptian Prime Minister Ea'zam has spoken highly of the cooperation between Egypt and China under the Belt and Road Initiative. In an interview on the sidelines of a symposium on Belt and Road cooperation held in China's Harbin.
China and Egypt are actually, the relations goes back thousands of years ago, during the Old Silk Road era, where actually Egypt played a very important role in the Old Silk Road. Now there is a lot of other dimensions, plus the economic dimension, there is cultural dimensions, for example. There is also a lot of projects concerning the social aspects, like in education and in health and things like that. In my country, Egypt, we have, of course, a lot of projects, but the most important is the special economic zone in the Suez Canal, and of course, internationally, maybe I can say the CPEC, China-Pakistan Economic Corridor. This is a very good example for a real change. Of course, there's a lot of other projects. So I can say that the relation between Egypt and China are very comprehensive and very sincere. This is important because Egypt and China, they have very respectful relations, as I said, which goes back 2,000 years ago. The relations between China and Egypt were raised to strategic relations. So actually the deep cooperation between China and Egypt was reflected through the BRI economically and socially and culturally,